Yeah, to elaborate on that too is most of these leads you can go back and find on Facebook. And even with the temporary or the partial ones that come in, most of you have the ability to pull up tax records and find out who those homeowners are. And we'll elaborate more on partial style of leads, but going back and profiling them, making sure, seeing if you have mutual interests, likes, maybe some mutual friends there, and then starting a conversation on Messenger, because after all, that's where they found your ad, and it kind of humanizes, personalizes the process. And you can send video, just like you're seeing here, back and forth. You can send voice memos back and forth. And of course, any documentation that you'd be able to send via email. So remember where the platform's starting. If you're going to be running Facebook ads, go back to what Facebook allows you to do, start the communication there, and you'll have a lot more success that way.
Mm-hmm. So, I mean, in a nutshell, I mean, obviously, we care about the lead generation side of Facebook, but really, I think what the power in it, more than the targeting, is that Facebook sort of humanizes the process. Because you have Messenger, because you have your Facebook business page, because you have your profile, there's so many ways to connect to these people that even a lead that might seem like they're a long ways out, if you can get connected to them and you can become a part of their world, you can start to follow them on Facebook. I think that really enables and gives you sort of an edge on your business. And it creates a community with you and all of these leads moving forward.